Have you ever raced a vehicle in reverse?
Nope.
Well, today we are. It sounds ridiculous, but we're doing it.
Welcome to Kingdom Auto. We race average, ordinary vehicles that 99% of us drive. Our two competitors today are a Hyundai Santa Fe and a Mitsubishi Outlander. Their engines are the same size and they weigh almost exactly the same as well. So on paper, this is a very close match.
So the layout of this video is a 0 to 60 test, plus a quarter-mile race from standing start and rolling start. And to top it off, we'll be racing them both in reverse. Which of these two do you think will come out on top?
We're gonna find out right now.
We're gonna find out right now. Let's go.
In business now. I'm pulling out all the stops today with my turkey hat. It's like scraping the roof a little bit, so it's getting in the way, but that's all right. This is all for the race, right? And then, so you said you did not have sport mode, no?
No, it has the eco mode, but it's only an on and off button for the eco. Like there's nothing else. Am I putting it in 4-wheel drive or I'm just leaving it?
What? You've got an option?
Yeah, I have a button that says 4-wheel drive and then, yeah.
What?
He's coming in. He's coming in to see this.
I'm coming to see this. Oh, that's lock. Okay, never mind. No.
Why would it say?
Oh, 4-wheel drive
Yeah.
is. Okay, so hang on. Wait.
So weird.
That is weird.
It's a weird.
Okay, try that.
It's Mitsubishi.
That says 4-wheel drive. I had no idea that you could do that. I thought it was all-wheel drive.
Oh, no. Sorry.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Cool.
no, 4-wheel drive.
Okay, I think we're finally ready to go. So we figured that out. So I have comfort, smart, and sport. So I feel like smart is gonna be dumb in a race. So I'm gonna go with comfort now because yours is in normal. And I think I'm good to go wherever you are.
Yep.
All right, folks, let's do this. Let's do this. Here we go.
All right. Here we are with the 2018 Outlander and the Hyundai Santa Fe.
Oh,
so
man.
brake torque to 2 and 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's so slow. They're both so slow. Is she coming back?
Terrible launch off for me.
Oh, keep jumping.
Terrible launch for me. Terrible.
Oh man. That's really hanging with it though. It was the takeoff that got it, and that was it.
Man, oh man. This thing does not have any gut.
It was literally just the takeoff that got you, and then I just stayed ahead, but they were like the same speed. It was just that this one got you on the launch. That was it.
It's crazy to me that this has that slow of a motor, but they're the same. It's so bizarre.
I'll tell you one thing, the rolling race is gonna be really interesting.
Yes. Yeah, I agree. This thing is not good at the start, but its top end, I find it gets more rhythm.
I will go into sport mode just to see if it makes any difference. I don't think that it will, but I'll try that and then we'll go from there.
Okie dokie, so here we are with the Mitsubishi, the Hyundai, brake torquing to, whoa, whoops, 2, not 3. Wait a second, can I just brake torque? Can I just try whatever I can try?
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna do that. All right, the race is going in 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, I had a neutral.
Maybe that's why it was so easy to brake torque. That's probably why it was so easy to brake torque when you're in neutral.
I know, I'm like, there's no resistance, but I'm like, oh, whatever,
Yeah.
whatever. All right.
That's funny.
All right. Mitsubishi Outlander and the Hyundai Santa Fe in 3, 2, 1, go.
That was a perfect launch.
That was
perfect.
That was good.
Yeah, we both got off at the same time there. I saw that one. I'm happy with that
Still
one.
pulls away, but we're close. Oh, he's pulling. You're pulling. You're pulling.
Yeah, I'm pulling away just a tiny bit, but nothing substantial though. That's very interesting to me. That one was perfect. We both left at exactly the same time.
Yeah, I agree. I should have revved the way I revved before too. It was just over 2, close to 3. And that was my best go I could give.
All right. There's my lane there. Good.
I'm gonna take mine out of 4-wheel, yeah?
Yeah, just put it in the standard mode. I think it's still always in 4-wheel drive because I believe it is all-wheel drive, but
yeah.
It's just different settings with the 4-wheel. But yeah, just put it in the standard one. We'll leave our traction control off, and I'm gonna put mine into comfort.
Okay, perfect, let's do it.
All right, guys, here we go. Take one of the rolling race. Whoa. She really wants to win this one. Here we go. All right. All right, I think I'm good there, so you can call it in whenever.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, they take a while to kick down, eh?
Actually kept
Oh,
up.
this is good.
Not bad.
I think we put our foot down at pretty much the same time.
Oh, there's a
look at
car,
that,
just watch it.
Yeah. That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Yeah, no, I'm happy with it. Like now we know like this thing loses hand in hand, but no, I'm fine with it. We can go on to the reverse if you want.
All right, here's the highly anticipated reverse race.
All right, here we go. This is gonna be fun. A little bit scary in a way.
Totally counterintuitive to what you'd think, like how you're supposed to drive. It's just wild. I am ready to go whenever you are.
Okay, let's throw it in reverse. Get ready.
Yeah. Oh man.
Good.
Yeah. Nervous,
Yeah?
but good. Yeah.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my.
Terrible.
Oh, this is so weird. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, I smoked it. Oh yeah. Woo!
It's way too long. I'm cutting out and just like tick 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 tick. It just cuts out way earlier than that.
I mean, then we saw which one was faster. This
Yeah.
this one's way faster in
Yeah.
reverse. Like it just kept going.
Yeah, there was no way. Like
Yeah.
there was no way.
Okay,
What do you think?
well,
What do you think? Good job.
Good race.
Good race.
I got one today. Hey, reverse and forward
You got both.
too. Yeah.
You did.
Yeah. All right. Thoughts on the races we did today?
No, I am really baffled at the whole thing with how we have the same motors, but this just has more pep in its step.
Yeah. For me, I really didn't know what was gonna happen, but good for the Hyundai for taking the win.
Yeah.
The reverse race was wild.
Yeah, no, it was super wild, but like
Let us know if you guys want to see more of that.
all the Hyundais we've won. There hasn't been one that's lost, Josh. The Sonata, the Kona, and now this.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah!
Okay. Yeah,
right.
well anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Thanks, guys.
God bless you
Appreciate
guys, and see you soon.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.